In this video we are going to be analysing AMC. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue down, which as of right now is more likely. So we do expect a push to at least $7.50 because this would take us to our first deviation on the 4 hour and really is just where we see the stock going. Yes, we may bounce off this level, but overall we would expect a further down push to at least that level. Now, if we continue to break that, we would have our only other deviation level at $2.50. So that would require quite the sell-off to be able to get to that level. Obviously, it's possible, but maybe not all that likely in the near future. So if you want other support levels, what can you be paying attention to? So firstly, we can go onto a shorter term time frame just to be able to get an added support, and this would give us a support level at 450, but really that is about it. So we would just be looking at the key psychological levels, meaning the $7, the $6, the $5, the $4, the $3, and so on as we continue down. Now, onto the resistance side of things, what are we looking at if AMC starts to rebound? And as of right now, our closest resistance is our first deviation on the daily, being $9.20. Now, what we would also see, even if we are going to continue down to say even that 450 level, which is quite far off, we would expect another retest of this 920. We can see we have already tested it, and this is what we say in all our analysis videos. We want to break levels and retest them, and that's exactly what we had here. We retested and we are continuing that sell-off, and that's why we expect it to push down to 750 at the minimum. But really, if we are going to continue lower than this 750, we would probably see another bounce of this 920, and if we're going to continue lower, obviously another fail. But if you want to see more resistance levels, you think we're going to break that 920 and continue higher, then we would be looking at the 1250. And then breaking past there, we have resistances at $17.40, $20, $22.30, and then final levels pushing at $27, $32, and $31. But if we do start pushing to the upside, the key level I would really be paying attention to is this gap fill at $18. So if we do get some upwards momentum or any more hype come towards this stock, that would kind of be the final target. And if we were long, really be looking to close out shares coming into that level. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on AMC. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.